Hello there foodie, it's your girl Clinton and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to prepare this delectable oven grilled tilapia. So without wasting your time, let's get it started. First things first, let's start with the ingredients that are onion, tilapia obviously, salt, some garlic powder, some oil, pepper, seasoning, and some ginger. So as usual, all the quantities will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Let us start preparing the marinade, and for that I'm going to chop my ginger, onion, and pepper, which I'm going to blend together with some vegetable oil. And if you're asking why I'm using oil instead of water, it's just because water is going to dilute the ingredients, but oil is just going to keep all the flavors and aromas intact. And for the quantity, just add enough to make the blending go easy. And you're supposed to get this puree, which we are going to spread all over the fish together with the salt, stock cube, the powdered garlic. But first, start by spreading a little bit of vegetable oil all over the fish to help the ingredients stick to it. And as you can see, I previously washed my fish and I've made some incisions all over it to help the ingredients penetrate through the fish. And I like leaving the tail on because I feel the fish looks prettier with the tail on. So we're going to just add everything and make sure all the ingredients get to all the corners of the fish. And then we're going to cover this with some cling film, and then we're going to leave it to marinate for 30 minutes before throwing it into the oven. When it comes to the ingredients, I feel like when some of the ingredients are fresh, the fish then absorbs them better. But if you have all powdered ingredients, feel free to use that too. Or if you have all fresh ingredients, that is also okay. So feel free to experiment with some parsley, rosemary, thyme, anise seed, or whatever you normally use in the kitchen. After letting this marinate for at least 30 minutes, we're going to transfer it onto the tray for the oven. But first we have to wrap aluminum foil all around it, and you're going to see that in a second. And do not forget to add a little bit of oil to prevent the fish from drying and burning. So after 40 minutes in the oven at 230 degrees, this is what you're going to get. Your fish is ready. Ready to be eaten, to be enjoyed, to please your teeth and your belly. I'm going to tell you what I had it with in a second, but before then, let's just take a minute and stare at the result of our hard work. It looks succulent, right? Yeah, I know. The perfect combo for me this time was to pair this grilled fish with some garofoto. There are some veggies in there, corned beef, which is actually the recipe that is coming out next week, where I'm going to show you how to prepare these two types of garofoto with the palm oil and without the palm oil. So stay tuned and make sure you check it out. And hey, if you also want to try a different way to grill your fish, I've got you and I'm giving options. I have this recipe also, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. So try one of them or try both and let me know in the comment section below. As usual, if you love what you saw, if you like what you see, please do not forget to support my channel by subscribing, liking, sharing, and hey, tell a friend to tell a friend. Till next time, to the next recipe, it's arrivederci for now.